No.
Okay. Today we will, Kaushik, last time you were absent, so we have started with
atoms and molecules.
Formulas of different compounds. Okay, so today we will do a little bit of practice so that you are comfortable with.
We have completed till writing techniques.
Yeah, I will give you more examples of that.
Till structure of
Structure, just take here. All formula of simple compounds. Okay, names and symbols of certain ions.
Till we have done molecular mass.
So today we will do writing chemical formula.
Now this one was of 11.
Yeah, just for writing chemical. So because this becomes easy for you to understand.
Okay.
It is 31, 32.
New book.
Yeah, I'm referring to the new book.
31.
I have two books here. So just to give you a pencil or something.
Yes.
Thank you. There are certain portions which have been, struck off. So I will start.
We have completed writing chemical formula.
Yes, we will give you some more examples of that today.
So revision.
Yes, revision to help your video.
Do I need to copy this table?
Not a copy, I give you some examples and so that you will learn.
Which one is omitted?
Which one?
Page
I
number
give you page, I'm on page number 31.
31. What is an ion then?
Yes. What is an ion? Writing the chemical formula for that.
Omitted one is
Okay. So last time we were talking about how to write a chemical
formula.
Okay, formula. Correct? Now, when do we use a formula? If there is a compound.
Compound.
Okay. What is a compound? Or when is a compound formed? When you have got atoms.
Two or more elements.
Okay. Atoms of different elements which are combining together and it forms a compound. The simplest of the compounds, the examples I'm always giving you is water. Or let us say hydrochloric acid or sodium chloride. All these are compounds.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide, yes. So what do we do? How do we represent them? Instead of writing it in words, we are writing it in the form of a chemical. Okay, a small abbreviation, and therefore this is what is known as a formula. Now you always should realize that when you have got sodium and fluorine, for example, I'm just talking about this. So you have got an atom of sodium, you have an atom of fluorine. See, the sizes are different. So I have got different. So this is an atom, this is an atom. But an atom will not combine together. So basically, we have got some charges, so this will become Na plus and this will become Cl minus. Okay? So this Na plus or Cl minus is what is known as an ion. What is it called?
Ion.
It is an ion. So what is an ion? The definition of an ion? An ion is an atom which has got a charge. Okay? It may have positive charge, it may have negative charge. When does it become positive charge?
Simple.
When does it become positive charge? Is when it is giving away the electrons. So these are electrons outside. Okay. So this electron, if it has been donated, then it becomes a positive charge. If an atom is accepting one electron, if this electron is coming into it, when it is being accepted, obviously it becomes negative charge. What is the charge of an electron? Nisha, what is the charge of the electron? It is negatively charged. So if it is, suppose this is, look at me. Nisha,
It's a simple.
this is an electron and this is an atom. If this electron, which is negatively charged, is coming onto the atom, obviously this whole thing will become negative, isn't it? So that's why I've written it is a negative ion. Like for example, fluorine becomes chloride. Now let us say this is an atom. Okay, this is an electron. Now if it is losing an electron, this will become positive. Samjha? So when it is losing an electron, it is becoming positive.
So how will you identify like
Yeah, that is what we are going to read in the next chapter when we talk about structure of an atom. We talk about electrons, protons. Okay, why some atoms are donating, some of the atoms are accepting, that is what we are going to be talking about. So write down the first thing. Have you written it? And what did I give you? What is an ion? Did I tell you?
atom charge. Atom charge.
No, I have given you a proper statement. What is an ion? Have you written?
Some metals tends to variable valency.
No, not that. Come on. You have to sign afterwards.
No, you are not.
I'm not given.
Then I have Fe2 plus.
That is a variable.
Not given.
You're starting with what is an ion. I will give you variation. Is it magnetic? Okay, on page number 31. Are you ready? Okay. Compounds are made of Compounds are made of metals and non-metals. Compounds are made of metals and non-metals, which contain charged species. Compounds are made up of metals and non-metals. Which contain charged species, which are known as ions. I've written ions. Listen. You are not going to repeat after me. Don't repeat because it's going to disturb others. Right? Can you write down? An ion can have a positive or a negative charge. An ion can be positive or negatively charged. Okay, next point you have to remember. A negatively charged ion is called as anion. Negatively charged ion is called anion. A-N, anion. This is negatively charged. Cation is positively charged. Anode and cathode. Cathode is different. Anode is different. Those are the electrodes. But now we are talking about the charged species. Positively charged, which is called as cathode. Another point you should remember. The third point. Ions may have finished mission. Okay. Ions may have a single charged atom. Single charged atom, or a group of atoms, that have a net charge on them.
And
A net charge on them. Now just look at the sentence what I have given you. It may have a single atom, see, Cl minus, okay, or it can be O double minus, or it can also be a group of atoms. Did you see here? This is sulfate.
it is written.
Yes. So sulfur, oxygen, okay, which has got a overall net charge. Now it can be what is known as a complex ion. So these are examples of simple ion. Did you understand? Okay. So this is a complex ion. Correct? On the same page, you have on page number 31. Okay. And if you can see in your volume, I don't know if you must be given in your volume. You have an export here today. Oh God. No, that's your idea. No, it doesn't have. You said last paragraph, what is an ion? Okay, read now.
Its constituent particles.
What is an ion?
Easy,
Compounds.
easy.
What is an ion? Compounds composed of metals and non-metals and charged species. In charged species are known as ions. Ions may consist of a single charged atom or a group of atoms that have a net charge on them. An ion can be negatively or positively charged. A negatively charged ion is called as an anion.
An ion.
And the positively charged ion is called as cation. Take for example sodium chloride NaCl. Its constituent particles are positively charged, so sodium ion Na plus and negatively charged chloride ions Cl minus. A group of atoms carrying a charge state. A group of atoms carrying a charge is known as a polyatomic ion. Table 3.6. We shall learn more about the formation of ions in chapter 2.
Yes. So what is this now? Is it polyatomic? It is polyatomic. Did you recognize why it is polyatomic? Okay, so such type is what is known as polyatomic. Poly means what? It means it's many. Okay, so there are many atoms of different elements, therefore it is known as polyatomic. Did you understand? Now you have got a negative charge, here you have got a positive charge. So what is this positive charge? Na plus. So Na plus, what is it called? It is a cation. So what is a cation here? This sodium Na plus is your cation. And what is this negative charge? It has a negative charge here, see? So this is an anion. Okay? Suppose we are giving you a question like, identify the cation and the anion in sodium chloride. What did you say? What is positively charged? It is Na plus is the cation and this is the anion. Come on, take down one example. Okay? Now I am giving you a question. Come on, write down. Okay? In sodium chloride, identify the anion and the cation.
Example.
In sodium chloride, identify the anion and cation.
Sodium chloride.
Now what is sodium chloride? It is NaCl. So what is the cation here? Cation is Na plus. Did you write? So cation is equal to Na plus and anion is equal to Cl minus. So I want you to write on this. Okay? Got it? So last time I had given a few simple examples of writing a chemical formula. Isn't it? What? You were there last time, of course. So how did we do? The cross multiply. Yes. See, this is what we have done. Quite a lot we have done.
hydrogen chloride,
Hydrogen sulfide, calcium oxide, sodium hydroxide.
hydrogen sulfide, magnesium chloride.
So all these are the examples that I have given. And how did we do it? By identifying what is the valency. So once we identify what is the valency, it becomes easy for us to write down the formula. So let me just give you a few more examples so that you are very comfortable with it. Okay. Nisha, you should be able to do it now. You were present last time. Okay. Let us say I'm giving you some of the examples might get repeated, right? For example, I want to write aluminium chloride. Have I given chloride?
Aluminium what?
What have I given you last time?
Aluminium chloride.
Chloride. No, I'll give you oxide then. I'll not give you chloride. Okay? So I'll give you something different. Aluminium oxide. First of all, we need to write down what is aluminium. What is the symbol for aluminium? So if you look at that list, aluminium is Al. And for oxygen, we write it as O. Okay, so this is your symbol. Next is we are going to identify what is the valency. Now you look at the list and tell me, you should look at the list, look at the table there and tell me what is the valency of aluminium.
Aluminium is Al3 plus,
And oxygen?
oxide is 0 2 minus.
minus 2.
Okay, so aluminium is 3 plus, okay, plus 3 and this is negative. So there's no need for you to remember the charge, remember the numbers. So now next stage is what? We have got these two numbers and I'm going to cross multiply. That means this number will come here. So I put a 2 there. This number will come here. So I put it here. Okay, so this is your answer. So last step is we are going to show the formula for aluminium oxide.
Do we need to learn this whole chapter?
That you do. Now you know, because by the time I finish it, I'll give you so many examples you will automatically learn. So you should remember. Now what will you remember? Aluminium is
Al.
and metal. And metal will be always plus. Metal. It is a metal. No? Okay. Like for example, sodium, potassium, iron, copper, all of them are metals. So metals will always be positive. Abhishek has got it or no? Yes? So what is the meaning of this, Abhishek? Al2O3, what does it indicate?
There are two particles of
Two
two
atoms
atoms of aluminium and three atoms of oxygen.
in a molecule of,
In a molecule of aluminium oxide.
come on, you write it down. This shows that, come on. This shows that there are two atoms of aluminium. There are what? Two atoms of
Aluminium.
and how many of oxygen? Three atoms of oxygen in aluminium oxide. Okay?
Yes. 3 upon zinc.
Aluminium oxide. Now I'm giving you another example. Let's see how we can do. Example 2. Okay, I am writing zinc bromide. Okay, everybody now you look at your table and you give me the formula. Come on, quickly.
Zinc bromide.
Yes, bromide.
It's a zinc not given, na this one.
It's given and you look here in your table, in your textbook, you see Nisha.
Last time
See
we
the
have not
table.
given this.
Last time I did not. This time.
Zinc
Zn1,
is
Zn1,
plus.
Br2.
Br1.
Zn1,
Zinc
Br2.
is Zn2 plus.
Come on, do it in your notebook. I'm not asking you to speak out.
Bromide
Zn1,
is
Br2.
Br minus.
Write it, write it. Come on. So zinc is Zn and bromine is Br. Okay?
Yes.
Now valency for zinc is 2, so this is 2, bromine is 1. Obviously, we know that zinc is a metal, so therefore this will be plus. This is a non-metal, bromine is non-metal, okay. But did you notice, children, what is happening? This is bromine is becoming bromide. Spelling, no? Did you see that? It is actually bromine. Bromine will become bromide. Okay, when it is forming an ion, it forms a. See, this is bromine. And then becomes bromide. Oxygen becomes oxide. You know, ending will change into IDE. Now you see how it is cross multiplying, Abhishek. You see here 1 and that becomes 2. So it is zinc 1 and Br 2. What did I tell you last time? If there is a 1, do we write it as 1? There's no need to write.
Then we are
Yeah, so there's no need for you to write down this. So this you can just write it as ZnBr2. Okay,
Is it the same for polyatomic?
I'm giving you examples now. Once you have understood this,
No, this was the homework, so
which one? Zinc bromide.
you gave some homework.
Yes, I'm going to do that. I want to just do it again so that you have written the correct answers. Is that okay? You finished? Okay. Now I'm going to give you some examples.
the zinc bromide is
You are doing the homework part of it. Yeah, I know that. Your part, Abhishek. You can't do teachers.
calcium oxide.
Aluminium oxide, oxygen is O. So what is O2?
Oxygen.
What is the meaning of O2? What is the meaning of O? Can we know? And what is the meaning
And
of
two
O?
atoms of oxygen is O2 and
Is this a molecule and atom? It is a molecule. It's a molecule. It is diatomic molecule. That means there are two atoms combined together. What is this now? It is an atom. What is this?
Minus 2 negative charges.
What is it called? What is it called? An atom with some charge. What is it called?
Electron. You know?
I give you now the definition. I gave you just now. What is it?
Anion.
Atom ion. Okay. So take up this example now. This is a molecule. Okay. What type of a molecule? It is a diatomic molecule. What is the meaning of diatomic? Di means what? Two. Two. Abhishek, when I am doing this, you do this only. Don't do your homework at all. Are you not like it? Diatomic molecule. So what is this? This is an atom. And this is an ion. What ion? It is an anion. Because it has a negative charge. Do you understand? Now whatever I'm teaching you, you should keep learning it. You cannot keep on repeating it. Okay?
Anion minus.
Now I'm giving you a different combination. Let us see how well you can do it. Ready? Okay. The next example I'm giving you, example number 3, is calcium nitrate. Nishad, I want the final answer. Don't talk now. What are you turning faces while talking? See, you have not done your homework.
Calcium nitrate.
Huh? You have not done your homework. 1 week ago, I gave you the homework.
Calcium nitrate.
on Cl3 and 2.
Ca?
Calcium
Ca3.
Ca2 plus.
Calcium nitrate.
C
Ca2 plus.
CA3. CA3.
Ca3 minus.
Acha, Ca2.
And not 2.
And calcium, right? Cl.
Ca.
See, check your table properly and tell me. Abhishek, that is wrong. Whatever
Your
you said
calcium
is
is Ca2 plus.
Ca3 N2.
wrong. Nitrate, I am giving you. Nitrate, not nitrite. Did you look at nitrite or nitrate?
Okay, okay.
Ah,
Ca3 and no,
Ca3 and 3.
two molecule, two atoms of NO. That should be in bracket.
Now you see how to do it. Okay? Okay. Let's look at the board now.
Ca2NO3.
Kaushik, look here. Calcium, Nishan? Calcium is what? Ca. Correct? Nitrate is what? NO3.
3.
Okay. Now valency for calcium is what?
2.
2. 2. Calcium is 2. So under this valency is 2. And for this valency is how much?
3.
It is 1. Nitrate is 1, 3 in your table.
1.
So the next step, what do we do? I'm going to show that it is going to be cross multiplied. Okay. So this 1 has to go here. And this 2 will go here, but you cannot write it as 32. Did you understand? If you put there, if you write NO3 and a 2, then it becomes 32. No.
Nitrate is -3.
Nitrate. Spelling, there are 3 spellings.
Nitrate.
Nitrate. Nitrate only I have written.
So nitrate is
Nitrite, that is.
nitrate. NO-3 now.
Yes, valency is 1.
NO-3.
It's wrong here.
It's wrong there. Obviously, it's wrong. Nitrate is correct. It's polyatomic. It's a single one. What are you saying?
NO3.
Nitride. That is nitride.
So what is this NO-3?
Nitrate. This is correct. NO3 minus 1. Yeah.
NO3 -1.
Yes. Correct. That is whatever.
Formula.
Nitrate, nitrite, nitride. There are 3 things. Okay, so we'll look at the same.
Ca2NO.
Let's see formula now. This 1 will come here. Look at the board. Look at the board. So calcium is 1. Okay. Then you have what? NO3. Because it is polyatomic, I have to put it in a bracket and then only put the number. If I don't put a bracket, what will it be? It will become 32. So which is wrong. You cannot write it that way. So what does it mean? It has got 1 atom of calcium and it has got 2 nitrate species. No, you're getting confused. Okay, why did you get confused? Where did you get confused? Nitrate, no? NO3 minus 1.
Okay, okay. I was confused that it was -3.
That's not -3, no, that is -1, right? This valency is 1. That plus or minus that they show on the top is the valency. And what does it indicate? It is a negatively charged. So obviously this is negative, this is positive. Calcium is a metal. Okay? Understood? I'll give you a list of what I know. Okay? Now, how are we going to write the list? Take a fresh page. One of you will take a fresh page. And first, I'll ask you to write down only the positive ions. Okay? And then we'll write only the negative ions. Okay, now, name of ion. Okay, first one. Take a fresh page and write.
Sodium.
Yes. Don't blindly copy. First, you write down this way, name. And then you draw a column, then you put Na. Okay, I'm giving you slightly different apart from what is given here. Okay, and then I'm going to write down what is the valency.
Here.
Valency is 1.
It is 1.
So how will you show it as? You will write it as Na plus. It's only 1 plus. What does it mean? It means it is plus 1. So you can write it as plus 1 or just put it as plus, which is only 1.
Okay.
Next is potassium. K, because valency is 1. I will say don't be in a hurry to blindly write it down. Just wait. Just wait. Finished. All four, first 4 you have finished. Sodium, potassium, silver, copper. These are the ones that we commonly use.
One will write silver and copper.
Yes, you can write silver and copper. Please write hydrogen also. Let me see. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is H1. It's not given here, that's why I'm asking. Hydrogen is given here. It's minus, you can give it. Just don't put no. Just put. Okay. Next, after writing down 3 and 4, Nishan, have you written?
3 and 4.
What is the third and the fourth one there?
Silver and copper.
Yes, write down everything. Next, will you write down for magnesium? Okay. Next one I'll write as magnesium. Mg. Valency is 2. So how will you indicate it? You will write it as a plus. Or you can put plus 2, which you can put, or you can write 2
So
plus.
when Mg will it will be only plus, right?
Always plus. Why it is a metal?
Ah.
All of them are metals. So you can write it as 2 plus.
And can we write it as only plus or?
You can also write it as plus
G
plus
plus
also. This way also you can write. There's no problem. Okay. Now you write on the next. Calcium, zinc, iron and copper. Now for iron and copper I have to tell you something else also.
Magnesium.
See, somewhere you have iron.
Yes, ma'am. Iron 2 and copper 2.
Yes. Now these are the two special cases. Iron and copper. Put a star there because copper you have already written here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Copper 1.
What is the difference between copper 1 and copper 2?
Copper 2 has more
Valency is 2.
valency is 2.
Your copper has got valency which is 1 and therefore it has got only 1 plus. Did you understand? Let me see what you have written.
Iron 2. Copper 2.
So this is what is known as variable valency. Variable valency is very few copper, iron. They will have 2 different type of valency. It's variable. Now can you tell me, can you recognize that all of them are metals? Magnesium, calcium. Did you write calcium?
Yes, yes.
You have written it from your book there?
Yes.
Ca2 plus.
Yes, 2 plus. This is also 2. Now you can copy, leave a line and then write down valency which has got 3. Which one has 3? You have aluminium and iron.
And then non-metallic zinc. Aluminum will draw line.
Right, yeah. Draw line and write down aluminium and iron. Now the reason why I'm asking you to draw a line is so that you remember that these are elements which have got similar valencies. Okay?
Aluminum.
Okay. Did you see when you go to the next column, non-metallic element?
Aluminum we have to write.
Right, aluminium and iron both right. Okay. After drawing a line, write aluminium which is 3 plus, and also write iron which is 3 plus. Valency will be 3. Okay,
Iron.
put a star for this. Abhishek, what does it indicate? I have written here, I have also written here, what does it mean?
That is it.
Yeah, they are not different, but I have put a star. Why did I write like this? Roman number 3, Roman number 2, what does it
The
indicate?
valency of
Correct.
Valency.
Yes. So this has got a variable valency. See, iron. This is what is known as variable.
So not like every valency.
Not everything, only two or three will have such type of variable.
Not every valency is like 1, so the Roman number will be also 1.
Yes. So Roman number will be 2 or 3.
Then one metallic element.
Now, if you see the next table, the next column in the table, hydrogen H plus. Did you see that? The first one is hydrogen H plus. So you can also write it there. Hydrogen is very special because it can become H plus, it can also become H minus.
Whereas only have one atom.
One electron. Hydrogen has one electron and one proton.
So now should we write the
Okay, now listen. This is hydrogen atom.
Mm.
Are you all listening? Okay. It has only one electron. If this is an electron, okay, and the electron is taken away, what will this become?
Plus.
H plus. Did you understand? It becomes H plus. But if an electron is added to it, H minus. So it can behave both as H plus and H minus. So they have written their hydrogen H plus. And H plus you can write it here. Okay, so this is a special case where hydrogen, it is H and 1 and it is H plus. Okay, now we are going to write down the negative. What does it mean negative? That means they are all non-metals.
Also, should we even mention hydrogen minus?
Yes, now we are going to write another table.
Mm.
Okay, what is the table now we are going to write? This is going to be for, once again, yes, these are the names of the ion. Once again, I'm going to write valency and no, I understand that.
Name of iron.
Okay. So the first one on the list is what? Hydride.
And these are all negative ones.
Yes, valency is 1 and I put it as H negative.
Hydrogen we have to write there.
This is hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Hydride is hydrogen.
H is what? Hydrogen.
Hydrogen is there.
Also here, hydrogen plus is there, hydrogen minus is also there.
Hydride.
It's called hydride. And you write chloride, bromide, iodide.
Lens
Hydride
is
is
one.
iodine, right?
I'll tell you something. That's why I left it halfway. You copy down this address.
It is one only. Yeah. Iodine.
Okay, finished?
Finished.
If you're finished, I want to talk.
Mm.
Done, Abhishek? Yeah. Now listen to me very carefully. I have written Cl without any charge. If I write only Cl, what does it mean? Plus.
It's not negative, not positive.
Suppose I write Cl minus. What is this? And what is this?
Yeah, it has
What is this? Yes, sir, that for oxygen.
This is diatomic
A diatomic
molecule.
molecule. What is this?
This is an atom.
Atom of
Chloride,
fluorine,
chlorine,
and this becomes
ion,
ion of,
anion.
it becomes
Right.
chloride.
Chloride.
You understand? So when an atom becomes an ion, the spelling will change. Okay?
Ma'am, it is initially chlorine, then it is.
Fluorine, when it is an atom, atom does not have any charge. Because the number of protons and number of electrons and number of protons is same. If there are 17 protons, 17 electrons will be there, therefore it has no charge. So what will you write for this? This is an atom. This is an ion. What ion? It is an anion because it's negatively charged. And this is a molecule.
You have to write this.
Yeah, don't write it in the chart, just write it somewhere else. This is for you to remember.
Cl2.
Nishat, what is an ion?
Ion.
What is an ion? Don't see. Look at the board and tell.
Compounds are made up of metals and non-metals. These contain charged species called ions.
So that is a charge.
An ion can have positive or negative.
So what is a negative ion called?
Cl minus.
What is it called? It's called an anion.
Anion.
Yes.
Plus is called cation.
Okay. Kaushik, tell me now. Cl.
Yes.
What is Cl? Only Cl. What is it
Ma'am,
called?
chlorine,
Very good. Br.
bromine,
I.
iron,
IOD.
iodine.
IOD. If I put I minus क्या हो जाएगा? अभी देखो. What will I do now? Now I'm going to write valency is 1. Therefore this becomes negative. So what is the spelling here? It becomes chloride, bromide, iodide. देखा?
Hydride.
Ending will be ide. Underline that is. Now you are understanding how the spelling is changing because it has become. Pardon? Now we are going to write.
Polyatomic ion.
No, not polyatomic. There are some.
Oxide.
Yes, it's -2. What are the ones? Oxide and sulfide. Okay.
Then 3-1.
Oxide and sulfide. Abhishek, tell me now, oxide means which element is it?
Oxygen.
Very good. Sulfur, sulfide, sulfur. So we write O and this is S. Oxide. What does it tell us? That it must have some charge. Okay. So charge has to, if it is ending in an ide,
Minus.
so obviously we know that it is 2.
2 minus.
Okay, so it is 2 minus.
Ma'am, like they in it is also like chloride, so why this is not like minus 2 minus it?
Why chloride is? See, unfortunately, they have given all this before the first chapter. That chapter should have been actually first. There is a rule, just briefly telling you, which talks about the structure of the atom. Okay? An atom. This is an atom. Atom will have protons and it will also have electrons. Here. Okay, these are the electrons. If the number of electrons are 8, then it is very happy, it is stable. If there are 7, that means it's not happy, it's not stable. Then it will accept 1 electron.
That will give it a positive charge.
That will give a negative
No,
charge.
negative charge.
Negative electron आ गया है तो it becomes a negative charge. So chlorine में कितना है? There are 7 electrons in the
N cell.
Yes, there are 7. Therefore, it is taking 1 more. But in oxygen, it has taken up how many electrons?
6.
6 will be there. It has taken 2. That is why it has become. You understand now?
So like it is like nitrate, so it has taken in 3.
Three.
Plus 5.
It was 5. It wants 3 more, that's why it has to be. Got it, na? Chalo. Before we sulfide, become oxide and sulfide, along with the charges and all. The last one we are going to write is nitride. Abhishek wrote nitride. So for nitride, how many electrons has it taken?
3.
Yes. Originally, how much will it be there?
5.
Very good. Good.
And
In non-metallic element there is sulfide, but even in polyatomic there is sulfide and sulfate. Is it
See the
different?
spelling, sulfate,
Sulfide and sulfate.
sulfide. Spelling देखो.
What is the difference between these?
अभी आपने देखा यहाँ this is simple. Only sulfurs. Okay. और sulfate में क्या जाएगा आपको? Sulfate I just draw. Now we will draw polyatomic, and when I take a polyatomic, you will understand. Okay. Now you make another table, polyatomic.
Polyatomic.
What does it mean? Poly means what?
Many.
Many. So here in this list, they have given you plus,
Many.
but most of them are minus. Only one plus is there. What is it?
Ammonium.
Yes. Name of the ion. First one is ammonium. Now, all of you have written this because I'm going to rub it out. Can you take it down, Kaushik?
Yes.
Chlorine, chloride. Please take it down. I will not come back again. Somewhere in the last page or somewhere on the margin, on the top, somewhere you write it.
Written.
Is it written?
It is valency, not charge.
ठीक है? अभी this is ammonium. What is ammonia? Have you come across ammonia? Do you know what is ammonia?
Plants.
Yeah,
Ammonium nitrate.
correct. So that is ammonia. But if you are writing ammonia, it is a molecule which does not have any charge.
Many charges.
आपने देखा? Formula देखो.
NH4, right?
This is NH4 plus. This is an ion. That is a molecule. It has no charge. What is extra here?
NH3.
The electrons are extra. No, sorry. The electrons are extra. The negative ions are
नंबर
extra.
देखो ना यहाँ 4 है वहाँ 3 है
Ah.
तो 3 हाइड्रोजन है यहाँ 4 हाइड्रोजन है that means one hydrogen also has come in not only an electron. N. This is what N.
And how can a molecule have less than its ion?
This is a molecule. It does not have any charge. This is a ion. So what is the structure of the ion? With hydrogens. Understood? This whole thing is one plus. See how different it is. This is an ion. Why? Because it has a charge. That is a molecule. How many hydrogens are here? Here.
4.
So now what are we
But
planning?
where is the other one? Like, there should be like 3 and 4. 1 is.
We are talking about, don't get confused. That is an electron. What did I show you now? What is electron coming? Okay. So that is an electron. Now we are not talking about an electron. We are talking about an atom of something else also coming. That's why it becomes polyatomic.
Mm.
Do you understand why it is polyatomic? Okay? Okay, you stick to this now. That is the only one which is positive for you right now.
Ammonium.
Okay? Most of them will be negative. Right now, hydroxide. What does hydroxide contain, Nishan? Hydroxide में क्या क्या है बोलो?
OH.
So it has oxygen and hydrogen. What will be the overall charge?
OH2.
Minus.
1.
There is nothing in hydrogen.
Hydroxide. OH.
1 minute. ऑक्सीजन में क्या था? -2. ऑक्सीजन का -2 था, हाइड्रोजन का +1 है, +1 -1 कैंसिल हो गया, तो अभी ऑक्सीजन का क्या है? दिस होल थिंग विल हैव नेगेटिव, whole thing. So it is an overall charge. Overall charge. Understood now? You will learn, don't worry. I'll give you plenty of practice for that. Okay, and you have to learn because in 10th standard there are so many equations. Better you learn it now. Most kids who are coming there for 10th standard are totally blind because they have not learned this. So the easiest thing is to learn it already. This is like your ABCD of your language. Without learning a language, you can't go to the second and the third standard, right?
So also like in hydrogen and the fourth one, so we need to just write H and then.
That is hydrogen carbonate.
Hydrogen and carbon dioxide.
So now you have written that. Now write down nitrate. You write down.
Nitrate has nitrogen and oxygen.
Yes, nitrate is NO3. Okay, this is also.
Mm.
Nitrate. Okay. Then comes hydrogen carbonate.
Nitrate.
I mean, what is hydrogen carbonate? Like what in what thing it is used?
Yeah. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is your baking soda which you are using. Okay. Sometimes they can also write it as bicarbonate. It's also written as bicarbonate. Also is one. Carbonate is negative. Did you see in that list?
Yes,
Carbon.
carbonate.
Carbonate is 2 negative.
Mm.
Hydrogen carbonate is 1 negative. This is 1 negative.
So 2 negative and 1 negative is 3
Same,
negative.
Cancel हो गया ना? Just like math.
2 and 3 cancel.
-2. Carbonate is -2. Okay. Hydrogen carbonate में एक प्लस आ गया ना, इधर +1. तो कितना हुआ?
-1, so it's
-1.
अच्छा okay. ठीक है balance.
Okay, come on now. Quickly write down the list. Okay. Complete the list. The rest of it has no problem. Phosphate, sulfate. Be careful when you're writing sulfate and sulfide.
हाँ.
You should complete the list quickly.
Carbonate.
Otherwise, you have to sign. Or your attendance.
And stream.
Now you continue. Will you come to the next class or no? Next class you are not coming or no? What about you two boys?
Now we
No, most probably not from exams or the next.
You are going to some classes.
Please explain this to us.
I'm sure what is really.
इसीलिए मारने का दिल करता है
Why for this one exam, na?